In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scripts in Google Ads. If you've ever wanted to automate repetitive tasks, keep your account tidy, or generate custom reports without manual work, scripts in Google Ads are a great place to start. They let you use lightweight JavaScript to make changes and pull data right inside your account. I'll walk you through the exact path to get to scripts and how to start a new one, plus a few practical tips to help you feel confident when setting things up. First, open your Google Ads account and look to the left-hand bar. Click on Tools, then expand the section labeled Bulk Actions. This area is where Google Ads groups features designed for changes at scale. And scripts live here because they can automate actions across your campaigns. When Bulk Actions is open, select Scripts. That will take you to the workspace where all your existing scripts, if any, are listed, and where you can create new ones. Next, click the plus icon to add a new script. This is your starting point for anything you want to automate. You'll see options that let you either begin from a completely blank canvas or spin up a script from a ready-made template. Choosing blank is perfect if you already have code you want to paste in or you prefer full control over the logic. Using a template is helpful if you're new or you want a proven structure to build on. Templates typically include comments and placeholders that explain what to change. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and set up your new script. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. If you're starting from blank, paste your code and update any variables, labels, or campaign references your workflow requires. If you're using a template, read the inline instructions carefully and replace the example values with ones that match your account. It's common for scripts to include spots for things like date ranges, budgets, or label names, so make sure those reflect your intentions. As you work, keep your targeting precise to avoid unintended changes, and consider adding brief comments in the code to explain what each section does for future reference. If Google asks you to review permissions, that's normal. It simply ensures the script can access the parts of your account it needs. And that's all. You've navigated to scripts, created a new one from either a blank slate or a template, and completed the setup so it's ready for your workflow.